Welcome to the Confidence Boost Self-Confidence Meditation. In the next few moments, we'll embark on a transformative journey to cultivate a deep sense of confidence within yourself. Let the soothing guided meditation empower you with positivity and self-assurance. Let's unlock the confidence that resides within. Find a quiet space where you can be undisturbed. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Begin by taking a few moments to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill with fresh, invigorating air, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. Now, imagine a soft, golden light enveloping you. This light represents positivity, strength, and self-assurance. Picture it forming a protective bubble around you, creating a serene and secure space for self-reflection. As you bask in this warm glow, let your mind turn inward. Reflect on your unique qualities, strengths, and achievements. Acknowledge the challenges you've faced and overcome. Feel a sense of pride in your resilience and growth. You are a capable and competent individual, deserving of confidence and self-assurance. Shift your focus to your breath again. With each inhale, visualize breathing in confidence, and with each exhale, release any doubts or insecurities. Allow the positive energy to flow through you, filling every part of your being. Now, let's hone in on a specific area of your life where you wish to boost your confidence. It could be a work-related project, a personal goal, or a social situation. Visualize yourself navigating this scenario with ease and confidence. Picture success, envision the positive reactions of those around you, and most importantly, feel the surge of confidence within yourself. Incorporate affirmations into your meditation. Repeat positive statements aloud or in your mind. I am confident in my abilities. I trust myself. And I believe in my potential. Feel the resonance of these words within you, reinforcing a positive mindset. Imagine a version of yourself stepping into the future, radiating confidence in every aspect of your life. See how you carry yourself, hear the assuredness in your voice, and feel the self-assurance in your interactions. Embrace this vision as a reality that is unfolding, empowering your present self. As the meditation gently concludes, express gratitude for the newfound confidence within you. Recognize that confidence is not something external, but a quality that resides within, waiting to be acknowledged and cultivated. Carry this positive energy with you into your daily life, knowing that you have the inner strength to face challenges and achieve your goals with confidence. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing the warmth and assurance from this meditation into the present moment. Embrace the positive transformation and let your newfound confidence guide you towards success and fulfillment. You are capable, resilient, and deserving of all the positive experiences life has to offer. This meditation is brought to you by Work Solutions LLC.